Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Ranger rear light. First, gather your essential tools, such as a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You will find 2 retaining screws on the inside edge of the tailgate, which we will address shortly. Having a clean, safe area to place the light assembly is also helpful. With the tailgate open, you'll clearly see the 2 main retaining screws. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully loosen and remove these. It's a good idea to place them in a small container or a magnetic tray so they don't get lost during the process. Be mindful of any other clips or tabs that might be holding the assembly in place, as these will need to be released. Now, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug due to alignment pins, but a steady, even pull should release it without damage. Once free, locate the electrical connector and press its release tab to disconnect it completely. Take a moment to inspect the wiring and bulb sockets for any signs of wear or corrosion. Before reinstalling, clean the area behind the taillight to ensure a good, secure fit. If you're replacing bulbs, do so now while everything is accessible. Carefully align the assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into position until it clicks. Finally, reinsert and tighten the 2 retaining screws. Remember, tighten them securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage to the plastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.